Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process in your Dyson V11, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you're working in a clean, well-lit environment to avoid losing any small parts. Start by disconnecting the vacuum from any power source. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Carefully use the T10 Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Set them aside in a safe place to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the back cover. Be cautious as there may be wiring connected to the motor. If you're uncomfortable with handling these components, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the motor assembly within the vacuum. You'll see additional screws holding the motor in place. Again, use the T10 Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Make sure to note their positions, as this will help during reassembly. If at any point you feel unsure, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. After removing the screws, carefully detach the motor from its housing. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. It's essential to clean the internal components to ensure optimal performance once the new motor is installed. Use a soft brush or a vacuum attachment to remove any buildup. Now, take your replacement motor and align it with the housing. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Remember to check that all connections are tight and that there are no loose wires. If you're unsure about this process, keep in mind that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. Once the motor is securely in place, reattach the back cover of the vacuum. Insert the screws and tighten them using the T10 Torx screwdriver. Make sure everything is snug but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the screws or the casing. Finally, perform a quick test. Plug in your Dyson V11 and turn it on to ensure the new motor is functioning correctly. If everything is working well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with any repairs you might need. This guide simplifies the motor replacement process, making it accessible even for those with limited technical skills. Feel free to revisit the steps as needed and keep your vacuum running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.